to talk about creating and naming tables in Excel. Tables are very useful for managing large sets of data. I've got a fairly small one here, but we will see how they work with this data set. So I'm going to select, highlight my range of data. I'm going to click on Format as Table, and I'm going to choose a format. My data is in the right place. My table has headers, and I'm going to click OK. So if we look at this for a second, we have the headers highlighted in a dark color. I have what are called banded rows, which mean that every other row is a different color. And we have our table. Now, if we select our table, we can click on the design ribbon. And one of the first things I like to do with a table is name it. So table 2 is not a particularly useful name or descriptive. I'm going to call this my data by typing in the table name box up here, and you will see now if I go F5 to go to a cell, there is a range named my data. If I click on it, I go to my table. Now, one thing that a nice feature about Excel tables is that this formatting actually is a little bit painful to create in Excel. There are times when I would like the formatting, but I don't really want the features of a table. And so if I click on the Design tab, I can convert this back to a range. And now I have a nicely formatted range in my spreadsheet rather than a table. Again, to create the table, select the range, format as table, click OK, and then a good thing to get in the habit of is to name it something